Good morning, day 3, heading out to the next stop. Looks like it's about 11K. I'm not so confident in the weather. It's really unsettled. Over by the seaside, it's super sunny. So hopefully I don't get rained on, and if it does, hopefully not too much. And hopefully find a place to stay in the next town. All right, let's hit the road. Still sunny by the water. I'm right on the line of happy days or doom and gloom. I'm being sprinkled on right now. Okay, I made it to Bell, and there's a welcoming committee, and I beat the rain, so now let's try and find a place to stay. Well, so far every little village I pulled into, I've managed to find one place open for a place to sleep. So I did find a pension, which for just under 20 bucks, I'm getting a room and dinner and breakfast. It's just starting to get pretty nasty now. So I'm gonna go sit by the wood stove and get toasty. Good morning on day 4. Just finished my massive breakfast. I ate as much as I could. They give you way too much food. So they usually, from what I've seen, feed the rest of the dogs, so that's why the dogs look so well fed. It's raining out right now. I'm heading that way towards the coast, and it looks brighter and the forecast looks better for the coast, so hopefully it's only 7K down to the coast, so hopefully I don't get too wet, and hopefully the rain stops and just a sprinkle, but let's pack up and hit the road. So I was about to start hiking about half an hour ago, but it was pouring rain. I got a small window, it looks like. It's hard to say up there or there, but I figured I might as well take advantage and head out and hope for the best. So it's about 7 kilometers to Gabaraguli, which is along the coast. And based on this whole hike, the weather along the coast looks a lot better. So hopefully I'm heading towards sun, or at least not rain. Scenery is still astounding. It's impossible to look away. If the whole trail is like this, it's one incredible hike. And it kind of looks okay in that direction. That sign said Gabaraguli, however you pronounce it, was 7 kilometers. Maps.me says it's 4.5. I really like Maps.me. It's giving me the accurate distances. You would think going downhill would be easier, but it's not really when it's steep and rocky. I've slipped twice already, and it's tough on the knees when it gets really steep, and there's a lot of side slopes on this trail down, so it's not necessarily easier going downhill. These are very big dogs, and when they come trotting at you and you're not sure what the deal is, it's a bit disconcerting. But they're friendly. So I've made it to Gabaraguli without any rain, and we got some pretty nice blue sky right now. So I think I may have escaped, so that's pretty good. I've got about 6K up and down to get to the other side, to Patera Beach. And from there I can take a bus to a few different towns. So I haven't decided quite which one yet. So we'll see when I get there. But from there for a while it's a bunch of roads, so there's nothing to hike and pretty boring. So when I get there we'll either find a bus or find a ride or something to get on the road and see which town I end up in. So I've now arrived at Patera Beach, and see if I can find some transport from the road. Apparently half a kilometer down the road is a bus station, so let's go see if we can catch a bus. Apparently this is the bus station. I don't have high hopes.
It only took 5 minutes and a bus actually showed up. Let's see where it goes.
Alright, the bus dropped me off at the junction, and it's only a couple of kilometers to Jellimesh, so I'm just gonna huff it there, and if the bus happens to come then I'll grab it, but shouldn't take too long to get to town and hopefully find a nice place to stay. Alright, found a place to stay. It's a beach bungalow they say, but it's really just a room with has a bathroom in it, right in my price range, perfect. I'm gonna go check out the little town because there is a few places open in a market, and so I can get some supplies, and then in the morning I'll talk about what the plan is hiking from here and where we're going.